All right, let's look at this AP Statistics 2012 exam, Part A, Question 1. So we have a scatter plot describing the relationship between price as well as quality of sewing machines. Question 1, describe the association between price and quality. And let's see, I don't know, early on looks quite random. Maybe there's a bit of positive correlation. Looks like an outlier. So, I don't know, some points you could talk about is positive relationship. Maybe you can mention it's like maybe weekly positive. I don't know, weekly strength. Because if you look at like below $500, it's quite random. Maybe mention below $500, very weak relationship, and maybe above $500, better relationship. I don't know. Let's say better. And you can also mention this outlier as well. Outlier at I don't know $2,200 because it should be having much more high quality, especially for that price. And then lastly, you could probably mention it's like a non-linear relationship because it's like, I don't know, it's quite noisy here, maybe slightly positive, and then it's like there and it's like there. So I don't know, non-linear relationship. Cool. Let's move on to Part B. So Part B is asking one of the 14 sewing machines affects the appropriateness of using regression, linear regression. Report the approximate price and quality. So it's definitely talking about this one right here, our outlier. So the price is about $2,200, quality is like 65. And things you want to mention is the remaining points show very, let's say, prior points show positive relationship. But this point is much lower than expected. Lower than expected. So if you were to draw linear regression, it would actually have a very high residual. So linear regression, this point would have huge residual. Cool. And then finally, let's see, interested by machine, we only want to consider machines which there are no other machines that has higher quality and lower price. Circle all the data points corresponding to machines that Chris will consider buying. I mean, first one is definitely this one. You have much higher quality, and there's nothing at a lower price that can beat it, so that's going to be one. And then this one is also high quality, and there's nothing at a lower price that can beat it. That's another one. Oh, no, let's check another one. So here's another one. Is there something at a higher quality at a lower price? Yeah, high quality, lower price. This one, higher quality, lower price. Yeah. Let's check another one. Let's say this one. Yeah, high quality at a lower price. So those are probably our two.